In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a playing video background in PowerPoint presentations. This feature can bring your slides to life, creating a dynamic and engaging experience for your audience. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This might be a familiar step, but it's vital to ensure that all your tools are up and running. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you'd like to enhance with a video background. It's important to have your presentation file ready and saved somewhere easy to find on your device. Next, head to the Insert tab, which is typically located on the ribbon at the top of your window. This tab is your gateway to adding all kinds of additional content to your slides, from images to charts and of course videos. Once you are in the Insert tab, look for the video option. Clicking on this will prompt you with choices for including a video in your presentation. Here, you'll need to decide where you want to get your video from. If you have a specific video file on your computer you intend to use, select the appropriate option to find and upload it. For this example, let's opt for a video from the available stock videos. This is a great option if you're looking for high quality, royalty-free footage without having to leave PowerPoint and search elsewhere. Upon clicking stock videos, a gallery will appear with numerous options to choose from. Browse through the selections in the video gallery and pick the one that perfectly suits the theme or message of your presentation. After you've selected the ideal video, proceed to click Insert. This action will initiate the downloading process. It's worth mentioning that you'll need to wait for this download to complete before moving forward. The time frame for this step may vary depending on the size of the video file and your internet connection speed. Once the download is finished, you're ready to refine how your video will play. Now switch over to the Playback tab. This tab is instrumental in defining the video's behavior when your presentation begins. In the Playback tab settings, ensure that the Start option is set to automatically. This selection will make sure that your video begins to play as soon as you get to its slide during your presentation. Lastly, look for the option that says Loop until stopped and check the box next to it. Checking this will ensure that your video continues to play seamlessly in the background, looping over and over until you advance to the next slide or manually stop it. And that's it, you've successfully added a playing video background to your PowerPoint presentation. As you follow these instructions, you'll find that adding a video background is not only simple, but also a fantastic way to make your presentation stand out. Enjoy creating impactful and visually captivating slideshows with these new skills.